Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to write a C program to find the factorial of the given number. So we are going to write a program to find the factorial of the given number. So we all know what is a factorial number. So if I give 5 as a number to find its factorial, what we do is we multiply uh, the numbers from 1 till 5, right, and we give the output. For example, if 5 factorial is given, we will do 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, right, or 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, right. So for that we will be using a for loop. Okay, so this program can be even written using while loop. So in this video we will be writing it using the for loop. Okay, so as usual, our program starts with hash include stdio dot h, then comes hash include console input output dot h, next void main, yes, next some variable declaration. As I told you earlier, we will be giving one number, so that will be stored in variable n, and then we will be using a for loop. So I'll declare one loop control variable, that is I, and we will be declaring one more variable, that is fact, to store the uh, answer, right, and I'll initialize its initial value to 1. Okay, next we will be using a printf statement, enter the value for n. Yes, I'll change the n here. Okay, next scanf percentage d, because we have declared it in integer data type, and that percentage d belongs to n variable. Next we will be writing the for loop, right. So for I is equal to, so what is a factorial number, or what is the factorial of a given number? So it is nothing but the product from 1 till the given number, right. So I'll start the value of I to 1. I should be less than or equal to n. That means in every iteration I value will be incremented unless and until it is less than or equal to 5. Once it is greater than 5, we will come out of that particular loop. Once the given condition is true, what we do is fact is equal to fact multiplied by I. So here multiplication is involved, that's why we have initialized the initial value of fact variable to 1. If we had initialized 0, anything which is multiplied by 0 is 0. So in fact variable 0 would have been stored, that's why we have initialized its initial value to 1, right. So initially the value of I will be 1. Say I have given 5 as the value of n. Okay, I want to find the factorial of 5. So I extract 1 and I'll check whether 1 is less than 5. Yes, 1 is less than 5. So the control will come inside the loop, and 1 will be multiplied with the value of I. 1 is nothing but the initial value of fact, and the value of I is also 1 now, right. So 1 into 1, in fact variable 1 will be stored, control will come back here for the for loop, I will be incremented. Now I value is 2, whether 2 is less than 5, yes, condition true, the control will come inside 1 into 2, that is nothing but 2. Now in fact variable number 2 has been stored, the control will come back here again, and now the value of I has become 3, whether 3 is less than 5, yes, condition true, it came inside 2 into 3, that is nothing but 6. In fact variable 6 have been stored, control will come here again, now I value has become 4, whether 4 is less than 5, yes. Now the control will come inside 6 into 4, In fact, we have stored 24 now, because 6 into 4 is 24, right? Then I becomes 5. Whether 5 is less than 5? No, but 5 is equal to 5, right? The condition true, it came inside. 24 into 5, 120, right? So in fact variable 120 has been stored. The control will come back here again. Now I value has become 6. Whether 6 is less than 5? No. Whether 6 is equal to 6? No. Condition false. So the control will come outside the loop, and we will print the value of fact, right? So factorial of percentage d is percentage d. The first percentage d belongs to n, and the second percentage d belongs to the fact. Get C H. Okay, so let us build the program, or we can say debug the program. Let me check, do I have any errors? No errors, right? Let me execute. So I'll enter the value of n. Let me enter 5, and we all know the factorial of 5 is 120, right? 5 into 4, that is 20, into 3, that is 60, into 2, that is 120, into 1, that will be 120, right? Let me change the value. Let me give 6, and the factorial of 6 is 720, right? 120 into 7, right? Next, so here we have multiplied the numbers from 1 to 5. So in books or in mathematics, what we used to do is, we used to write 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. But here we have done 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So now let us change the for loop so that it prints or it multiplies from the given number till 1. So what I do is, or what we can do is, we can start the value of I from n, and I should be greater than or equal to 1, and after every iteration the value of I should be decremented. So the extraction of the number starts from n, and it will go on until the value of I becomes 1, that is n becomes 1. After every iteration, what we do, we decrement the value of I, and everything remains the same. Okay, now let me debug. No errors. Let me run. Again I'll give the value of n as 5. It has given 120 itself, right? Factorial of 5 is 120. Again let me execute 6. It should return 720. Yes. So I hope you guys have understood the program. Thank you.